Gaster is from the two group words of name. Hugo's meaning white, and Gaster means belly. Thus name, white-bellied sea eagle. Sea eagle, because these birds, they are commonly found in coastal areas. Malapit po sa dagat. They are endemic in India, Sri Lanka, all from Southeast Asia, and these are examples of birds of prey. Isang agila, because of its upper huge beak and their sharp talons. Ang tawag po natin sa mga kuko, their claws are talons. And did you know, their talons is so strong that it can even crush a monkey's head. And even a human being. This is how you the raise of Nazareth advantage Davao. Because researchers say that the power of its talons is equivalent to a rifle bullet. Yes, kinabuyan na kayo mga pamilya. And aside from our Philippine eagle, this white-bellied sea eagle is the second largest bird here in the Philippines. Yeah, man? Let's give a round of applause, please. And to Alexis, our white-bellied sea eagle, indeed a magnificent bird. Now, what could be the largest eagle? Yes, that's our own Philippine eagle. Alam niyo po ba? And Philippine eagle's wingspan reaches up to 7 feet. Yes, ito po pala ng napapak. Making that the largest eagle all over the world. Proudly, Pilipinas. We'll speak of Pilipinas, this next animal vessel. And proudly Pinoy. Dahil hindi ko lamang natatagpuan sa Pilipinas. Please help me welcome it. We have Mr. Bill. Pagkita, Mr. Bill, pasok. Mr. Bill is a Philippine great warrior. Scientific name, Buceros Hydrothorax Mindenensis. Mindenensis is from the two words of name. Minda means Mindanao, and ensis means belonging to. So this verse belongs to Mindanao, and in Mindanao alone. Now, do we have guests that's coming from South Cotabato? Meron po ba? Ano ko? Ma'am, do you know what is the local term for this word? Yes, that's right. Or namumukhaan niyo po ba siya, ma'am? Kababayan niyo po yan. Okay, locally we call them kalaw. Nagmumukha ng kalaw. And they are horn bills because the horn is structured above the bill. The largest bill of all birds. It's taking about 30% of their total body weight. And they are using that to eat fruits. So they are fruit eaters. Now, what do we call animals eating fruits? Tawag muna, what do we call animals eating meat? Kapag kumakain ng karne, tinatawag natin sa kalay. Carnivores. Some of the animals eating herbs, grasses, plants. Herbivores. Some of the animals both eating plants and meat. Omnivores. And just like us humans, we are omnivores. Now, what do we call animals eating fruits? Fruitivore. Okay, bigyan ko pa kayo ng additional hint. Yung mga animals kumakain lamang ng grains, we call them granivore. Yung mga animals na kumakain lamang ng fish, we call them piscivore. So yung mga tao na kumakain lamang ng vegetables, we call them vegetarian. Yung mga animals na kumakain ng fruits, fruit na yun. Pero may nagsabi tayo, diet. Animals eating fruits, we call them frugivore. Yes, frugivore. Frugi means the fruits of the world. Vorus means the eater of. So they are the eater fruits of the world. Ang haba, frugivore na. But you know what, mga kabila, there is this natural behavior na gusto namin makita sa inyo.